Hello, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Balik na naman po tayo sa ating analysis sa ating stock market. So, PSEI po ang tinitingnan natin, ang daily chart po natin. So, makikita natin ngayon na oversold po ang level ng ating stock market. So, kung na-miss nyo yung galaw ng stock market pataas up to 8,000 level noong April, ngayon naman po, we are given another chance to buy at a lower level kung saan mataas ang probability niya na tumaas. Okay? So kung kayo po ay naghihintay ng correction, this would be the perfect time to buy your stocks at this point kung saan oversold po ang level ng ating PSEI ngayon. Okay, so ito po ang daily chart natin. So makikita natin na ang money flow po ay palabas pa. So nagkaroon po tayo ng selling during the past few days, almost 1.5 weeks. Pero makikita natin na ating absolute strength indicator natin, which is like RSI, pero this one is compared to itself. So this tells you kung anong nararamdaman ng stock ngayon strength wise, kung malakas pa siya, mahina, or average lang. Okay, so itong ASI indicator natin or absolute strength indicator natin is nasa ibabaw ng orange band natin, which means it's strong. So strong siya, and then makikita natin na sinalo siya ng ating short term trend line. So makikita and oversold siya, so mataas ang probability natin na tumaas lang ang market natin on a shorter term. Okay, since pero pag tiningnan niyo ang weekly chart natin, makikita niyo na overbought siya. It's been overbought for the last more than a month, pero dahil malakas ang pinapakita ng ating mga foreign investors, patuloy pa rin siya tumataas even though overbought. Pero dahil may resistance tayo dito sa longer term trend line natin, nireject ng longer term trend line ang price ng market, at this point makikita nyo na medyo nagkakaroon ng downward momentum sa stock market ngayon. Okay? Pero even though a downward momentum, makikita natin ang absolute strength indicator natin is very strong. So most likely there will just be a correction, maybe up to the 7650 level, at baka magkaroon po tayo ng bounce from there. Okay, pero shorter term, kita natin na oversold siya ngayon. So there will be a strong probability na mag-bounce po tayo dito from this point. Okay, so really quick, meron po akong papakita sa inyo na isang website where we can measure kung ano po ang relative strength ng PSEI compared po sa stock market, sa US stock market ngayon. Bakit po to relevant? Kasi po, yung karamihan po ng ating mga investors, big time investors, is mga foreigners. Okay, so they're investing both in the Philippines or mga emerging market, and also outside the Philippines, mostly sa US stock market. Katulad ko po, ako po ay nag-invest din sa US stock market mostly. Okay? Dahil po Pilipino din po tayo, ako po ay isang fan din po ng Philippine Stock Exchange. So I would like to see our market grow and our economy in the Philippines grow as well. Okay? So kung i-compare po natin ang PSEI index sa let's say S&P 500 dito po sa US, so kung titingnan po natin dito po sa 1 month chart natin, makikita natin ang S&P 500, which is itong orange line natin, is below the blue line, which is yung PSEI. Okay, so ang ibig sabihin niya, relatively mas maganda po ang performance ng stock market natin ever since May 3rd, okay, during the past month. So kaya po yung mga investors natin is mapasok po sa market natin. Okay, nag-invest po sila sa market natin. And kung titingnan naman po natin dito sa 3 months chart, is ever since mid-March pa, so makikita nyo na mas maganda ang performance ng PSEI compared sa S&P 500 ng US stock market. Okay? So that's the reason why maganda pinapakita ng stock market natin, and I'm very confident na patuloy pa rin pong tataas ang ating market in the next few months. Alright? So going back to sa ating previous chart of PSEI, ngayon po tingnan naman po natin ang mga Alright, tingnan naman po natin ang mga sectors natin, kung anong kalagayan nila. So first, let's look at the financial sector. So makikita natin ang financial sector natin nasa above a short and longer trend line. Okay? At nagkakaroon ng upward momentum pataas. So most likely, pataas po ang ating financial sector stocks for this week, at makikita natin very strong po ang pinapakita ng ating absolute strength indicator. Okay? So financials is a good sector to invest in at this point. Next is holding firms. Ang holding firms naman, makikita natin nagkakaroon din ng upward momentum dito sa ating overbought, oversold indicator. At the same time, itong ASI indicator natin, absolute strength indicator, is nasa strong. Very strong actually. At makikita natin na yung prices nasa above ng ating short term trend line, na nagkaroon ng bounce siya dito the previous trading day. So most likely pataas din po ang momentum or trend ng mga holding firm stocks. Industrial sector. Okay, so makikita natin underneath short term and underneath longer term, at pero oversold siya. So most likely magkakaroon tayo ng bounce up to the 11,073 level. Okay, so yun ang near-term resistance niya. At the same time, medyo negative ang strength ng industrial index, pero dahil nasa oversold level siya, so most likely there will be a short-term bounce. Okay, for the industrial index sector. Mining and oil, nagkaroon siya ng bounce from oversold. At the same time, above short-term trend line, above longer-term trend line, up. Tapos yan, pataas pa ang trend, ang medium-term trend nitong stock at nitong sector na to. And at the same time, absolute strength is very strong. So another good sector to put your money in is also itong mining and oil sector. Property index sa susunod, above short and long-term trend line, pero po ang momentum po natin sa overbought, oversold is downwards. So at this point, wag muna po tayo pumasok sa mga property stocks. Okay, so hintayin po natin magkaroon, umabot ko sa oversold bago tayo pumasok ulit. Although makikita natin very strong din ang strength nitong property. So hintay-hintay lang po tayo, nagkakaroon lang po ng correction. Once na umabot po sa oversold, it's a good time to go in and buy those property stocks. Alright, ang susunod naman po is service index. Alright, so service index, let's take a look at this. Hindi ko pa pala na ayos to. So ayusin natin, lagay natin sa 3-month view. So makikita natin ang services sector naman natin is medyo nasa ilalim po ng ating short-term trend line. So at the same time, nasa oversold naman siya. So most like there's a bigger probability na mag-bounce po ang ating mga property stocks. At the same time, malakas po ang pinapakita ng strength nitong sector na to. So it's very strong. Ang strength ng service sector. At the same time, oversold. So kung kayo po ay gusto mag-invest sa service sector, sige lang po, pasok lang po tayo. Pero kung ako po ang tatanungin nyo, hintayin ko muna po mag-bounce siya at tumaas po dyan. Kailangan niyang i-beat po tong ating short-term trend line, which is at the 1,616 level. Okay? So, tingnan naman po natin ang mga bullish stocks for this week. Alright, so nandyan yung Ayala Corporation. Ayala Corporation, medyo nasibaba siya ng ating green short-term trend line. So, at the same time, oversold din siya, nagbabounce din siya from the oversold level. Very strong po ang ating ang strength po ng Ayala Corporation. However, pag tinignan mo naman po yung relative strength index naman niya compared to PSEI, alright, so tanggalin natin tong S&P 500. Kung i-measure po natin, compare po natin ang PSEI sa Ayala Corporation, so within the last 3 months, makikita nyo ang Ayala Corporation is stronger than, relatively stronger, and or is beating the stock index, PSEI index. So, but pag tinignan naman nyo po yung itong 1 month chart natin, makikita nyo na lately, during the last month, mas mataas po ang underperforming po ngayon lately ang Ayala Corporation. So, sa madalit sabi, kung tayo po ay mag-invest sa Ayala Corporation, hintayin po muna natin okay, hintayin lang po na muna natin po. Nasaan ba yun? Ayala Corporation. So most likely, hintayin natin muna siya mag-bounce from the 870 level. Okay, pag nag-breakout siya sa 870, then makakonsider natin siya as an upward trend, and we can start investing or putting our money again in Ayala Corporation. Okay, so next is Alliance Global Group. Alliance Global Group overbought siya ngayon, so makikita nyo na ang downward ang overbought oversold indicator natin. At the same time, ang mga institutions ay they're buying this stock, so hintay-hintayin lang po natin na bumaba ulit ang value ng itong stock na to. So we'll see, tingnan po natin siya. Pag bumaba po siya sa 14.75 level, then most likely mas attractive po tong stock na to. So right now it's overbought. At the same time, medyo average lang ang strength nitong stock na to. So not a very exciting stock to put our money in, but at the same time, makikita nyo ating money flow is very strong. So pinapasokan talaga to ng mga institutions, but then right now it's not a good time to put our money into AGI. Alright? At susunod naman is itong Ayala Land Incorporated. Ayala Land is one of those bullish, very bullish stock. Right now, medyo pababa, ang ating money flow is very good, very strong. Although nagkakaroon pa tayo ng downward momentum, at the same time, itong overbought, oversold signal natin is downward. So, hintayin muna natin konti-konti itong stock na to. Most likely, abutin niya itong ating support, which is at 36.99 level or 37 pesos. So, hintayin lang po natin siya umabot sa 37 bago natin pupasukan itong stock na to. Okay? So, medyo relatively positive ang strength nitong stock na to. So, Ayala Land, let's just wait po umabot siya sa oversold level bago natin pasukan. Okay, next bullish stock sa listahan ko is itong BDO. Okay, kung kayo po ay nanood ng aking huling video 2.5 months ago, at kung may mga nirelease po ako doon ng mga bullish stocks. Okay, kung lahat po yun pinasukan nyo ng pera at this point, at this time, dapat po kayo ay positive na at kumita na po kayo. Okay, so very significant po itong mga bullish stock na nirelease ko sa mga videos. At kung kayo po ay gustong mag-invest sa stock, although hindi po ako stock advisor, at kayo din po in charge sa pera niyo, I'm just merely doing this to tell you or to show you kung ano possibility ng mga stocks natin. At kung meron po akong mga stocks na binabanggit dito na mga bullish is based po yun sa aking research at kung kayo po ay compelled to buy stocks based on sa research ko, I suggest that you do your own research first bago niyo po pasukan itong mga stocks nito. Okay? So, BDO is also another bullish stock right here, pero makikita natin na tinatraverse niya itong ating long-term trend line. So, ang ating long-term trend line is acting as a support. Okay? So, makikita niyo po ang ating itong ating money flow is very strong, so which means that the institution is really buying this stock. Okay? So, most likely, pataas pa rin ang trend nitong stock natin. At makikita natin na ang absolute strength indicator natin is sa bandang ibabaw nitong orange band natin, which is strong. So dahil nag-bounce siya from the itong longer term trend line natin, hintayin lang po natin siya mag-bounce above 121. At kung pag nag-trade po siya above 121, pasukan po natin yan, and most likely ito po ay umabot ulit dito sa may 124, 125 level. Okay? Next is BPI. Right, BPI is another bullish stock, pero downward po ang ating overbought, oversold momentum. So, even though malakas po pinapakita nitong stock na to, dahil pababa pa ang momentum niya, hintayin lang po natin siya bumaba sa ating oversold level. Most likely, ang support niya is nasa 105 pesos and 36 cents. DMC upward ang momentum niya. Kita natin ang money flow is also going upwards. So, which means this is a nice stock to put our money in. Right now, supportan siya na itong very short trend line natin, which is nasa 33 pesos and 20 cents. So as long as itong stock na to is trading above 33 pesos and 13 pesos and 20 cents, this is a good stock to buy. Kita natin na medyo maliit lang ang range nito. So good stock to buy, but then maliit lang kita natin. So it's up to you if you want to put your money in here, right? Another bullish stock is itong Energy Development Corporation. So mapapansin niyo po, because maganda pinapakita ng stock market natin ngayon, mas marami pa tayong mga bullish stocks this week compared to 2.5 months ago. Okay, so itong Energy Development Corporation, money flow is a bit negative pero upward po momentum niya. At the same time, itong overbought, oversold signal natin, medyo hindi siya pumapalo sa overbought, okay? So, most likely, mayroon pa siyang tendency tumaas. So, at the same time, last trading day last week, makita natin, sinuportahan siya nitong short-term trend line natin. So, most likely, there might be a bounce this week, pataas papunta sa overbought level, pero tingin lang po natin, makita natin dito yung ating resistance levels is medyo malapit-lapit lang po, nasa may bandang 6 pesos and 15 cents. So, not much for the stock. Alright, so Energy Development Corporation. Next is Globe Telecoms. Globe Telecoms is oversold. Nice time to buy the stock. So, at the same time, makikita natin na money flow is upward. Nasa ibaba lang po siya nitong short-term trend line, but meron po tayo oversold signal dito. So, if you guys want to buy this stock, go ahead and put your money in here. Pero I suggest don't put all your money in this one stock. Konti-konti lang po. Leave some in case na bumaba pa siya, then you can average down. Okay? Malakas po pinapakita nitong strength natin, so nitong stock na to, so good stock to buy, although nasa 2014 pesos per share. So medyo mabigat lang siya sa bulsa ng mga regular investors natin. Okay, next is International Container Terminal Services. So kung maalala niyo po, noong March, last time na nag video ako, ang stock price po natin is nasa level na to. Okay? Dito ko po sinimulan i-recommend itong stock na to. Actually, noong January ko pa ito nire-recommend around this level. Alright? So, kung pinasok nyo yung pera nyo dito, congratulations sa inyo. At nandito na kayo sa 99 level. So, tumaas tayo ng almost 20, more than 10-15 pesos. Okay, so makikita natin na very strong po ang ating money flow. The mga professional money makers are really into this stock. So kung tayo po ay bibili itong stock na to, although overbought siya ngayon, I would say don't chase this stock. Lalo-lalo na po at nagtitrade siya sa ating upper level nitong channel natin. Ito mga dots nito sa baba, sa taas, ibabaw nitong itong stock, itong chart natin. Alright? Dahil nagtitrade siya sa ibabaw niyan, medyo risky yan. So you're chasing the stock kung kayo po ay kung ipapasok niyo po ang pera niyo dito at this point. Pero kung kayo po ay invested na dito sa stock market na to ever since March or even though ever since April, sige lang po, hintayin niyo lang po magkaroon ng downward trend, immediate trend bago nyo po ilabas yung pera nyo ulit. So again, kung kayo po ay nag-invest dito sa stock na to, when I last posted my video, congratulations po sa inyo at kumita po kayo ng malaki dito. Alright. So makita natin, itong absolute strength indicator natin, the stock has been very strong ever since mid-March. Okay? So this is a nice stock to buy pero at this point since overbought siya, hintayin lang natin siyang bumaba. Bumaba sa ilalim nitong overbought level natin bago natin pasukin ulit itong stock na to. Alright, next is LTG Group. LTG Group, medyo downward ang momentum niya. Ating overbought, oversold signal pero malapit na siya sa oversold. So again, pero nakita natin na nagkaroon siya, umabot pa siya sa baba itong channel natin. Okay, so nagkaroon ng bounce pataas. So most likely at this point nagtitrade pa dito yung around 15 pesos and 69 cents itong stock na to. Itong overbought oversold natin is way down here dito sa oversold signal. So lahat ng mga tao na inabangan itong chart na to bumaba sa 15.60 level, they know that that's the lowest point of this stock. So lahat sila nagsibilihan at this point. So most likely itong stock na to will bounce at this level. Ito po sa susunod na mga trading days natin. So makikita natin po yung volume ng stock na to is really strong. Okay? Last trading day. So lahat mga yan. Ito mga institutions nagsibilihan sila dyan. Okay, hoping that the stock will go up to itong target price natin which is 16 pesos and 88 cents. Okay? Alright. So LTG, most likely is good stock to buy para tingnan po natin kung trade po siya positively at the beginning of this week. Go for it. Alright, so let's see kung ano pa mga ibang stock natin na napili which are Bullish. Next is to Metropolitan Bank and Trust. Metropolitan Bank and Trust, bullish po itong stock na to, although overbought po siya ngayon. So let's just wait and let's hintayin lang po natin itong stock na to na bumaba siya sa oversold level. Okay, so although positive itong money flow natin, institutions are really buying the stock. So at this point it's not a very attractive stock to buy short term. Hintayin lang po natin mag-oversold siya. Okay, daming bullish stocks this week. Mega World Corporation, another bullish stock. Kita natin upward ang momentum niya from overbought level from beginning of last week. So if you want to invest into this stock, medyo average na po ang strength itong stock na to, although it's trying to get into this orange band level natin. So most likely pag once na pumalo po yung indicator natin dito sa orange band natin dito sa absolute strength indicator po natin, makita po natin ang stock natin is gonna shoot up. Okay, so Mega World, So hintay lang po kung gusto niyo pasukan, it's okay naman dahil upward po ang momentum ng overbought, oversold signal natin. Next is Petron Corporation. Petron Corporation is also bullish, although makikita natin na it's been oversold, overbought for the last more than a week and a half. Okay? So, kung gusto niyo pong pasukan tong stock na to, it's a good stock to buy, but then it's overbought right now. So, hintayin lang po natin bumaba siya. Okay, magkaroon ng correction bago nyo po pasok yung pera ni LED. So, makita natin yung momentum ng money flows going upwards too, which is a good sign for this stock. Alright, so Semirara. Alright, Semirara isa ito sa mga stock na nire-recommend ko during my last video. Kung kayo po ay nag-invest din dito sa stock na to at that time, so congrats din po sa inyo at tumaas po ang stocks nyo for by almost 20 pesos. My Semirara is also it's been strong. Absolute strength niya has been strong since the start of the year po. So kung kayo po invested dito since January, iwan nyo lang po ang pera nyo dito at your money is in good hands. Alright, so right now it's approaching oversold level. So kung gusto nyo pong pasukan ulit tong stock na to, just wait for it to bounce from oversold pataas. So let's say kung nag-trade siya above 159 or 158 pesos and 50 cents, and that's a good place to buy this stock. Alright, so next is SM. SM Investments is also bullish. Makita natin na nag-dip lang bahagya itong overbought, oversold natin, and then now we're seeing it go upwards again. So momentum ng stock nito is pataas. I think may support siya dito sa 772 pesos and 45 cents. Okay, so as long as nag-trade siya above 772 pesos and 45 or 50 cents, I think this is a good stock to buy, although makikita natin ng meron tayong resistance, immediate resistance dito sa 797 level. And then, malakas din ang strength itong stock na to. Alright, next is San Miguel Corporation, of course. San Miguel Corporation, medyo nag-sidewards lang po tayo ever since sinimulan ko pong i-recommend itong stock na to. But then, since January, kita niyo po na medyo tumaas po ang stock price nito. So, this is still a good stock to buy. Okay, so next is SM Prime Holdings. SM Prime Holdings is also very strong. Upward po ang money flow momentum natin. At the same time, itong overbought, oversold natin is also going upwards. So if you want to buy this stock, sige lang po. Pero just let you know, malapit ang ating resistance is at the 33 pesos and 32 pesos level. Okay, next is the PLDT. PLDT is also bullish, but then meron po tayong short-term trend pababa, or short-term trend, downward short-term trend, pero at the same time nasa oversold level naman po tayo. So as long as this stock is trading above 1598, okay, so okay lang po na iiwan natin ang pera natin dito. Alright, so 1,591 pesos. Okay, 1598, 1590. As long as it's trading about 1590, confident pa tayo na mag-bounce pa ito pataas. Okay? However, if it trades below 1590, all bets are off. Tanggalin nyo, huwag nyo muna papasukan itong stock na to. Okay? Most likely, magkakaroon po ng a little bit longer downward trend to, and it's ito po ang susunod nating support is nasa 14,092 level, 1492 level, 1,492 level. Okay, so yun po ang mga bullish stocks natin for this week. I think what I'm gonna do next is mag-create po ako ng another video, okay, separate from here, kung saan gagawa po tayo ng portfolio based dito sa mga bullish stocks natin. Okay, so kung gusto niyo pong panoorin at makita kung paano pa tayo gumawa ng portfolio natin based on bullish and very bullish stocks, at kung ano pa mga ibang factors po na i-consider natin para sa mga stocks na ilalagay natin sa portfolio. Abangan nyo lang po yung susunod na video. And again, salamat po sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe sa akin. I know I'm approaching 400 levels. Siguro pag na-approach ko natin 400 subscribers, marami pong mga questions ako na-receive. Although wala lang po ako talagang time para mag-reply. Actually, just creating this video alone also takes up a lot of my time. So ginagawa ko lang po to dahil I know that this is also benefiting me dahil ako po ay natututo at the same time while I'm creating this video, all these series of videos. Okay, so sana po ay may natutunan kayo, at kung may mga questions po kayo, tuloy lang po ilagay niyo lang po yung mga questions niyo dyan. And when I get a chance, I will answer all of those questions. Sa isang episode, I'll have a question and answer video. Okay? In celebration po sa ating 400 subscriber count or whatever. Okay? Who's counting anyway? Alright guys, salamat po sa pakikinig, and till next time, see ya!